Do you own a Japanese motorcycle, or really any motorcycle that might have Japanese hardware on it? If you do, you're probably using the wrong screwdriver. Today on MC Garage, we talk about JIS screws and screwdrivers. That's right. Most of you have been using the wrong screwdriver on your motorcycle. You ever notice how easy it is to strip out a cross-headed screw on really any bike you own? That's probably because it's a JIS screw and not a Phillips. JIS stands for Japanese Industrial Standard. And while it may look similar to a Phillips head, it all comes down to the way they lock into the screw. A Phillips is meant to cam out once you get to the proper torque, where a JIS bit stays locked in. It all comes down to the shape of the screw and the bit. With the naked eye, it's tough to tell the difference between the two, but if you look really close, you can see that a JIS bit has a much tighter radius at the cross-section of the bit. It's nearly perpendicular. A JIS bit is also shallower, where a Phillips comes more to a point. This JIS screwdriver is from Vessel, and it's a must-have in your toolbox because it's the same size as a number 2 Phillips. What's really nice about it though, is when you're working on crusty old beasts like this Yamaha here, it's also an impact driver. It'll loosen those stuck screws right up. Now, there's all kinds of shapes and sizes available in JIS, and a tool supplier like Sudco will have everything you need. So what happens if you put a Phillips screwdriver in a JIS screw? Well, it bottoms out, it doesn't grip securely, and it rounds off the corners, screwing everything up. So how do you know if a screw is JIS or Phillips? It's actually really simple. Just look at the screw head. If it's got a dot, it's JIS. No dot, Phillips. It's that easy. Nice part about a JIS screwdriver, it actually fits in Phillips heads just fine. At 12 to 15 bucks, a JIS screwdriver should be in every mechanic's toolbox. It's cheap insurance, and it prolongs the life of your motorcycle's hardware. That's it for this episode of MC Garage. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below. If you like what we're doing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And once again, thanks for watching.